So in this case, if you see 1 minus x square is our f of x. So you have to do the adjustment so that this part will satisfy this property. So f of x is 1 minus x square. What is f dash of x? Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x. So it is nothing but minus 2x. So if you can see, the numerator part we have adjusted for minus 2x and denominator we have f of x. So this equation is nothing but f dash of x upon f of x. So integration of f dash of x upon f of x is nothing but log of f of x. So it will be log of, in this case the f of x is 1 minus x square. Okay, this 1 by 4 can be taken here in the power as minus 1 upon 4, and here we can neglect this part. So the integration of this integration is nothing but log of 1 minus x square the whole raised to minus 1 by 4. So this will become e raised to log of 1 minus x square the whole raised to minus 1 by 4. So e raised to log of something is nothing but that something. So here it will be equal to 1 minus x square the whole raised to minus 1 upon 4. So this is negative, so it will go in the denominator, so it will become 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 upon 4. So this is our integrating factor. After finding integrating factor, we know that for linear equation in y, the solution is given by y into integrating factor into equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. So for linear in u, we just replace y by u. Okay, so u into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So now this is our solution for this equation. So the solution is given by u into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. What is u? We have substituted u as root y. So u is root y. What is integrating factor? We have just calculated integrating factor as 1 upon 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 4. So 1 upon 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 4 equal to integration of q. What is q? So as you can see here, q is this part, which is x by 2. So q is x by 2 and integrating factor is this, which is 1 upon 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 4 into dx plus c. So as you can see here, we have to integrate this part, and this integration is also here also we are going to use one property, that is f dash of x into f of x the whole raised to n dx is nothing but f of x the whole raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So we are going to use this property. How we are going to use this property, just see. So this 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 4 is in the denominator, so we will take this in the numerator. In this case, our f of x is this part. So f of x is 1 minus x square. This is our n. So n is minus 1 by 4. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is derivative of 1 is 0 minus 2x. So nothing but minus 2x. So here we already have x. So we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. We also need minus sign. So 1 minus here and 1 minus here. So this will become minus 1 upon 2 into 2 will become 4 into 2x. So this part is nothing but, and this minus sign also. So this part is nothing but f dash of x. This part is nothing but f of x the whole raised to n. In this case, n is minus 1 by 4, f of x is 1 minus x square, and f dash of x is minus 2x. So this is how we used to modify our equation so that the integration, so that we can use some integration property. And mind my words, in exam also, the last integration will be some property, or it will be very easy integration. Okay, just look for some property and it will solve this problem. Okay, so as you can see, this is nothing but f dash of x upon into f of x integration. So this integration is nothing but f of x the whole raised to n plus 1. So what is f of x? F of x is 1 minus x square the whole raised to n plus 1. In our case, n is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus some constant. So if you solve this, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1 plus 4 upon 4, which is 3 by 4. Okay, so this part is nothing but 3 by 4, and this is also 3 by 4. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, and our this equation will become minus of minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus x square the whole raised to 3 by 4 plus c, and this part will remain as it is. So this is how we perform the solution of this type of problem. More such problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.